Ministry of Health Saudi. Prometric exam questions for nurses.
For complete study materials and other assistance, contact Nursing Mantra through WhatsApp on 9715025151717.
Question number 1. A nurse is giving discharge planning instructions to the parents of a 1-year-old child acute otitis media. Which of the following discharge instruction takes priority? A. Administrate antibiotics as prescribed. B. Administer influenza vaccination. C. Breastfeeding as long as possible. D. Continue using of pacifier. The answer is A. Administrate antibiotics as prescribed. Question number 2. A 4-year-old girl was playing outside. She came to her mom crying and holding her right upper arm. She went to the hospital with swelling over the upper arm, pain and itching. The appropriate management is A. Maintain patent airway. B. Administer SC epinephrine. C. Prepare for intubation. The answer is B. Administer SC epinephrine. Question number 3. An older adult client with renal failure comes to the emergency department with a report of nausea and vomiting. The client's heart rate is 45 beats min. The nurse is most concerned about which medication that the client takes. A. Nitroglycerin. B. Digoxin. C. Doxorubicin. D. Furosemide. The answer is B. Digoxin. The answer is B. Digoxin.
For complete study materials and other assistance, contact Nursing Mantra through WhatsApp on 9715025151717.